Howdy crew, going to be going over a recent purchase for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Howdy crew, I'm William Morris, President and CEO of the Welding Cowboy Corporation, certified licensed welder and owner-operator of a welding rig based out of Los Angeles, California. On here I'll be going over welding knowledge, what it's like to own and operate a welding rig, welding blueprints, welding math, welding equipment, and so much more. Welcome to the channel. I'm William Morris, the Welding Cowboy. As I've shown before, I do have a lot of the bigger magnets that I've purchased from either hardware surplus stores or Harbor Freight when they're having clearance deals on them, and it's great. But I want to pick up some more of these small ones. I do have several of these, but not as many as I would like. So picked up this 4-piece mini welding magnet fabrication holder. I mean, it sounds weird, mini welding holder. It really doesn't make sense. I really use them for fabrication quite a bit. They help out a lot. So just gonna go ahead and open them up because I think this would be a great addition for the rig and what is needed in it. And it wasn't a bad price. This was at a hardware surplus store. It's one of those stores that they buy from different lots, either other hardware stores going out of business or construction sites that purchase a lot of stuff and they don't need it anymore. So it's a really great place to pick up different things. And so here's the 4 little magnets. They're not huge by any means, as y'all can see, but they do an amazing job of holding little things in place so you don't have to worry about it. And so if you just have to have something held in place, and it's got its own little angles. And one thing that I do like about these that I haven't seen too much on the bigger ones is normally you'll have the, I call it a little house shape. It looks like a roof and then it angles in, and a lot of right angles for the bigger ones. This one has some interesting angles on this side. This would be the normal top part of the bigger magnets, but this side is rounded. And I think that's great if you're trying to have a little bit of an angle on something. It is pretty cool, and just different angles all the way around. So as y'all can see, it is just different angles everywhere, and that's fantastic for holding small pieces. And you can have several of these for a longer piece, so that way it holds something. You can have these several feet apart and have a thin piece of metal being held in place very easily by these. So that's fantastic. I just wanted to show these because they are very useful. I've used them before. I just wanted some more, and I'll probably pick up another pack in the near future. But for $7.95, it wasn't a bad deal. There are better deals than that, but I figured I'd just pick up some of these at this price, and then once there's a better deal, pick up quite a few more. So I will see y'all in the next vlog.